ever pondered how size and distance find their way into everyday language? Today, we'll journey through collocations connected with size and distance, starting from the simplest to the most complex. First, we encounter low in phrases such as low prices, low wages, and low levels. This term communicates a below average or reduced state. For example, the store offers low prices on all electronics, signifies affordable deals. Moving on, we have small, which often collocates with quantities, numbers, amounts, and increase. Small conveys a lesser degree or minimal scale. An example is, the bakery only uses small quantities of sugar in their pastries, indicating a minimal use of sugar. Next is large, used in large quantities, large numbers, large amounts, and large increase. Large signifies a substantial or significant degree. For instance, the charity received a large amount of donations this year, highlighting the generous contributions. Little is another intriguing term. When used after another adjective, it adds a friendly tone, such as dear little Anna or nice little room. But little and small can also indicate something's minimal importance, as in a little problem. Expressions like on a large scale or on a small scale communicate the extent of something. For instance, manufacturing happens on a large scale suggests wide-ranging production. Interestingly, fat and slim apply to objects too. We say fat books or slim books. For people, we use fat, slim, plump, skinny, or thin. For instance, he is a painfully thin man. A great deal of often collocates with time, money, energy, enthusiasm. It signifies a substantial amount, as in, it takes a great deal of time to master a language. Major and minor often pair with difference, change, effect, difficulty, point, issues, and factor. For example, there's a major difference in their opinions. Tall is used for people, trees, and buildings, like tall buildings. High is for mountains, prices, interest rates, heels, tide, jump, as in high mountains. For distances, we use a considerable long or short distance. Locations close enough to commute or walk to are within commuting distance or within walking distance. Distances can be covered or traveled, such as a distance of 60 kilometers. Distant or remote areas are far off or far-flung places. At close range means very near. A neighboring town, country, or area is adjacent or nearby. To summarize, we've explored collocations with low, small, large, little, on a large, small scale, fat, slim, a great deal of, major, minor, tall, high, distance terms, and neighboring. These phrases help us express size and distance in diverse and nuanced ways. So the next time you converse or write, remember to sprinkle in some of these collocations for that extra flair.